Hi there, welcome to the new Qlik Sense tutorial video, and in this video I will going to talk about the even function which evaluates whether a given integer number is even or not. So if it is true, it returns -1. If integer is not even number, then it returns 0, which is false, and null if integer is not an integer. Alright, so to demonstrate that, what I can do is click and add measure, and I will simply say even and 3. So as you would have guessed, the output will be 0. So output is 0, right? Similarly, if I add one more measure and I say even and I say, let's say 10, right? So what would be the output? -1. And if you want the output to take to a next line, what you can do is you can say chr10 ampersand, and will take the output to a next line. So if I just expand this a little bit, so 0, -1, but I'll just tell you the third condition, which is when it will going to return the null. So even 3.14, it's a decimal number, right? So apply. Alright, let me just quickly go inside. Even 3.14, the output is basically the null, but since null is not shown over here, what you can do is you can check it whether it is a null or not. And to do that, what you can do is go in the expression editor and simply check with the isNull function and close this, click apply, and you get -1. So it's a null, and that's why it has returned true. So generally when it is null, it will not return anything, but in the if condition, if you want to test it where a value is even or not, then you can use this particular function, which is even function. And as you would expect, the similar will be the output when you have the odd. So instead of even, you can simply say odd over here, and it will work as I mentioned over here. So that if you want to check even number or you want to check odd number, they are very straightforward. And -1 indicates true, 0 indicates false, and null will indicate if it is a decimal, that means not an integer at all. So that's about it, and I'll meet you in the new video with the new topic.